adventurers, as you can see, I am in my car, stealth camping mode. Woo! But that's not why I'm actually doing this video. This video is a tip video because I like to give you guys little tips and tricks along the way for whenever you're out and about. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about what happens when you come into the mountains with food. So I came into the mountains with some different prepackaged foods. Now, if you're familiar with chips, they're not supposed to be this round. Same thing with quinoa cup. Didn't think about the fact that the pressure would get to the quinoa cup, but you see this? It's a bubble. It's usually quite flat. So I'm gonna open this and let you see what happens. This is dinner, so it doesn't really matter. And woo! Pop goes the quinoa. Now, that's what happens whenever you come to the mountains and you're not properly prepared with your food. Your food pressurizes. So it is best to get things that could potentially pressurize in the place that you're actually going to be versus buying them and bringing them. Granola bars, things like that, those are usually fine. But chips, quinoa, not so much. There's other things that are made in little containers like this that I would also avoid. But all in all, you just want to make sure that you try to avoid them. I didn't think about it whenever I came up here this time. I'm really lucky that it didn't sound like a little explosion in my food container, because that will happen. So, with that being said, remember, purchase things like this whenever you actually get here. So that's my tip of the evening, and it may or may not be helpful to you, but worst thing ever is to be driving down the road and all of a sudden, you think you blew a tire, but it's really just your food exploding. So remember that, and I'll see you guys next time.